Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to sign up to Twitch account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already installed Twitch app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Twitch app. Here we go. Here you can see two options, login and sign up. Tap on sign up. Now you have to fill up this information. At the top you can see phone number. You have to enter your phone number, or also you can use your email. Here I will be using my email. Now you have to choose username for your account. Now you have to choose password. Now you have to enter your date of birth here. After you are done, tap on sign up. Tap on continue. Now you have to pick the koala here. Again choose the koala. Now go and check your Gmail. Here I will be opening my Gmail app. Here I go. At the top you can see that Twitch has sent me the verification code. You have to enter this verification code. Now tap on submit. For now I will be skipping this process. I will be tapping on remind me later. Tap on continue. You can see that I have easily signed up to my Twitch account. In this way you can also sign up to Twitch account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.